Three-dimensional printing is transforming construction. It offers faster, more efficient and sustainable building methods. The market is growing rapidly, projected to reach $736 billion by 2033. This technology reduces labor costs, speeds up construction, and minimizes waste. Three-dimensional printing is set to revolutionize the construction industry. Three-dimensional printing in construction utilizes a layer-by-layer approach to create structures from a digital model. It begins with a digital blueprint. This blueprint guides the three-dimensional printer. The printer deposits material precisely according to the design. The material is typically a specialized concrete mix. This mix is extruded through a nozzle. The nozzle moves horizontally and vertically, following the digital instructions. Each layer solidifies as it is laid down. This creates a solid structure, layer by layer. This process is repeated until the entire structure is complete. Three-dimensional printing offers a high level of precision. It can create complex shapes and intricate designs. This is difficult or impossible to achieve using traditional construction methods. The use of concrete in three-dimensional printing is evolving. Researchers are developing new mixtures. These mixtures incorporate recycled materials and sustainable components. This reduces the environmental impact of construction. The efficiency and flexibility of three-dimensional printing are transforming how we approach building design and construction. Three-dimensional printing brings several advantages to the construction industry. One of the most significant advantages is the reduction in labor costs. Three-dimensional printing requires fewer workers compared to traditional construction methods. This leads to significant cost savings. The automation of the building process also minimizes human error, resulting in higher precision and reduced rework. Another major benefit is the speed of construction. Three-dimensional printing can erect structures much faster than traditional methods. This is because the printing process is automated and continuous. Faster construction times translate to quicker project completion. This saves time and money. It also allows for faster occupancy of buildings. Sustainability is a key advantage of three-dimensional printing. The precise nature of three-dimensional printing reduces material waste. The technology allows for the use of recycled and sustainable materials in the concrete mix. This reduces the environmental impact of construction. Three-dimensional printed buildings can be designed for energy efficiency, incorporating features that reduce energy consumption. Section 4. Notable projects and key players. The field of 3D printed construction is witnessing the emergence of innovative projects and key players. ICON, a construction technology company, is at the forefront of this revolution. ICON has partnered with BIG, an architectural firm, to develop El Cosmico, the world's first 3D printed hotel. This ambitious project, located in Texas, is set to redefine hospitality construction. Another notable project is NASA's Project Olympus. This collaboration between NASA and ICON aims to utilize lunar dust for 3D printing on the moon. This project has the potential to revolutionize space exploration by enabling the creation of habitats and structures using readily available lunar resources. In India, Tavasta, a 3D printing construction company, completed a 3D printed building in Thiruvananthapuram. This project demonstrates the viability and growing adoption of 3D printing technology in India's construction sector. These projects highlight the transformative potential of 3D printing in various construction applications, from hospitality to space exploration. Section 5. Future Trends and Innovations. The future of 3D printed construction is bright with continuous innovation in materials and techniques. Researchers are exploring new materials that are stronger, lighter, and more sustainable for 3D printing. The development of self-healing concrete is a promising area that could lead to more durable and resilient structures. Advancements in robotics and automation will further enhance the speed and efficiency of 3D printing construction. We can expect to see larger and more complex structures being 3D printed in the future. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning will optimize the printing process, reducing waste and improving accuracy. The development of mobile 3D printers will enable on-site construction in remote or challenging locations. This will be particularly beneficial in disaster relief efforts and infrastructure projects in underdeveloped areas. As the technology matures and costs decrease, we can anticipate wider adoption of 3D printing in construction, leading to a more sustainable, efficient, and innovative built environment.